Chapter 19. Finding and Fixing Waste. Did you know that most of the things we do each day have a lot of extra steps that don't really help us finish faster? Lean calls this waste. It's anything that takes time and energy but doesn't add real value. Imagine if you had to keep walking back and forth to find your school supplies. Those extra steps slow you down but don't help you get your work done faster. At my company, we use something called a spaghetti trail to spot waste. It's like drawing a map of all the steps you take to complete a task, like cleaning up your art station. When you see the path, it looks like a plate of spaghetti because there are lines going everywhere. This helps us see all the extra movements we're making that aren't needed. By spotting these extra steps and finding ways to cut them down, we can make things simpler and save time. Lean teaches us to look for ways to make every action count so we're not wasting time or energy on things that don't help. Each little improvement means we can get more done with less effort. Try it out. Pick a task you do every day, like packing your bag or organizing your desk. Look for any extra steps that might be slowing you down. Can you find a way to make it easier by skipping unnecessary moves? You'll be surprised at how much quicker and simpler things can get. The one thing. Lean helps us use our awesome talents. Lean is all about using the special skills and creativity each of us has to make things better. It reminds us that we're all full of great ideas, just waiting to be shared. Win with Lean. Think about something you're really good at or enjoy doing, like drawing, organizing, or helping others. Use that talent to make a small improvement today and see how great it feels. The Lean Takeaway. In Chapter 19, we learned that Lean helps us cut out the extra steps. Lean teaches us to skip any steps that don't actually help us to finish faster. Remember, you have the creativity to make things better, one smart idea at a time. Chapter 1 taught us the Lean basics. Chapter 2 taught us about spotting waste. Chapter 3 taught us to focus on one task. Chapter 4 helped us in understanding waste. Chapter 5 taught us to fix small problems. Chapter 6 showed us the importance of growing together. Chapter 7 showed us the power of 3S. Chapter 8 showed us the importance of teamwork in Lean. Chapter 9 taught us the importance of daily improvements. Chapter 10 taught us to keep spaces clean. Chapter 11 taught us to start with simple things. Chapter 12 taught us to keep improving. Chapter 13 showed us that we should continue to learn new things. Chapter 14 taught us the 3 key points in Lean. Chapter 15 taught us to always ask why. Chapter 16 taught us that Lean takes practice. Chapter 17 showed us why it is important to organize your things. Chapter 18 taught us that teamwork makes everything better. Chapter 19 taught us to cut out the extra steps. Now let's go to Chapter 20.